Welcome back to Kind of Cooking. Today we're going to do an experiment. Is it worth it to make sous vide scallops? Because scallops are pretty easy to make. You're going to put them straight onto your cast iron pan or your pan, whatever you have, and you're going to brown it. When it's on sticks, you're going to flip it. It usually takes a couple of minutes. But people are telling me that sous vide scallops are the way to go, so we're going to give it a try. I've never done this before, so we're going to find out together what it's like. Fairly simple. These are U10 scallops. They're beautiful. We bought them, of course, from Costco. There's no smell, so that's good. So we're going to split them into three. Half I'm going to do the traditional way, straight on the skillet, and half I'm going to do sous vide. For the sous vide version, we're going to do 125 for 30 minutes. I see a couple of variations, all within a couple of minutes, a couple of degrees and a couple of minutes of each other. So we'll go with that. First things first, salt, a little salt on each. Okay, we're gonna roll it around and get the other side. Pepper next, just a couple of boom boom. So you guys might be wondering where Carmen is. We're gonna do this as a blind taste test. So I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna know which one's which. And she's gonna try it and she's not gonna know which one is which, and then she's gonna tell me which one she thinks is better. Or by me, I mean all of us. Okay, that's it. We're gonna put it in our bag. 1, 2, 3. A little bit of olive oil down there. Into the sous vide it goes. Welcome to the show, Carmen. Okay, so we have 2 here.
All right.
Let's give it a try. Let's just try one each.
I'll start here.
Yeah.
Well, first off, without even eating, these ones look, color-wise, look much better than those ones. Those ones look like it wasn't seared properly. Did you not sear it properly, Kevin?
It's possible. I don't know. I'll do a second try just to be sure. The insides of these look very nicely cooked.
This one is nice and cooked too. One side is cooked more than the other.
All right. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Good.
It's a good scallop.
No complaints.
This one's very sweet. Has all the flavors. I wish I had a more sear. Could be my fault. Maybe I didn't dry enough. Maybe it's not enough oil. I don't know. But the pan was definitely hot enough. We set off all the fire alarms.
Yeah.
It rarely happens in this house.
I feel like this looks more cooked than the other one.
More evenly cooked, at least.
This one
This one is much chewier.
No, this one's chewy.
Really?
Yeah, maybe we should eat the same piece. You eat this piece, you eat that piece.
That one's much chewier.
This one, right?
This one. I mean this one.
Yeah, this one.
This one.
No, this one tastes good.
This one tastes chewy.
The one that you ate just now came from my plate.
Came from this one.
Yes, so this is chewy.
Okay.
This one is good.
I like the first one I ate.
Okay, so let's do it one more time.
Okay.
Don't eat the whole thing. We only have half each of the same scallop.
Okay.
All right?
Are we back to our original plates?
Yes,
This is where our original
yes.
plates was, right? Went pretty good. What's your choice? This side or this side?
So I think this side is a little overcooked,
Okay.
but the sear is nice. It's overcooked on one side. This side is not cooked enough, but the inside is good.
So this side was a sous vide side, and this side was a traditionally done one. I think I cooked this one for maybe 3 minutes.
Okay.
Less than that, probably.
Okay.
Like one and then the other side. Cook is uneven. And the flavor of this one, the sous vide one, is actually better.
The regular one tastes a little fishiness. This one I don't taste fishiness.
I don't taste it either, and it's smooth all the way.
Yeah.
Like the bite is even all the way. Maybe I need more oil. Maybe I need
it's
to
just
dry
that
it
the
more.
sear, look-wise, this doesn't look as good.
Yeah, that one looked beautiful. This one tasted beautiful. So I would probably go for the sous vide one. What about yours?
Actually, yeah, probably the sous vide one, because this one there's a couple of pieces that was chewy.
I think the sous
Maybe
vide.
this was your skill not being there though.
Maybe.
But it shouldn't be that hard. So if doing the sous vide makes it easier, then that might be also a positive.
Yeah,
So I would actually go for the sous vide one. Because,
I would too. It takes like all the brain work out of it.
Yeah, because if I was doing it, I would probably screw it up. I would choose this one if looks wasn't anything
Right.
like how I chose you.
All right. If you have any comments, leave them below. Let us know what you think, if you would sous vide or just do it the traditional way. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell. We'll see you next time.